Hey everyone, this is Dave with Projects Around. We have a different type of adventure today, a different type of project, which I know absolutely nothing about. Today, we're going to go harvest corn. So, it's me, Luca, Carter, and my wife. She doesn't want to be on video, but she's next to us. So, we're going to go out to a farm, and Carter's going to get to go on a combine, and hopefully, if I behave myself, I can go too.
Are we recording? Are we recording, Papa?
Yep. Watch out, Elvis.
Whoa.
Good job, Dave.
Where are you taking us?
Where are you taking us? The thing is making me busy.
Do you see all the corn coming out? Are you ready to go meet Tom? This is the other Tom. Come on. Can you shake his hand?
Tom.
And you're who?
Carter.
Carter.
That's Luca.
And this is my grandson Luca, my other grandson, my wife Stephanie.
Oh, hi, Steph.
Nice to meet you.
Heard about you. Yeah, it's been a pain.
Is the corn wet?
Oh, yeah.
What's the percentage?
Like 27.
And you want it at what?
Well, 17 you don't pay any drying on. So right now it's costing us about 27 cents a bushel to dry. I wouldn't be combining right now if it wasn't all down. You can see how you barely tell there's rows.
Yeah.
And you'll get into that and it's all kind of, they call it goosenecking.
What do you think, Carter?
Yeah. I like it.
Kind
How
of
many
bumpy.
How many 5-year-olds you know get to do this?
Not a lot.
All right, now watch.
See how just to start you can't tell where you're supposed to be. I mean, you should have to define rows like over here, but
So he's going to lower the head.
gotta get her all started, all these running. Get her going. Then we lower her down. Normally we do 10 acres an hour. I've done probably 20 acres in about 8 hours.
Yeah, Carter, turn around and look behind you.
Yeah. I love
Look at all the corn going into the hopper.
I know that's corn.
Look at that, Carter. Forward and see how it's all getting pulled in? And you can see it being stripped off.
That's why it's called a corn cover.
Measures it down then too. So
Yeah, but wow, look how cool it is.
I know.
Very cool.
See how it's pulling it in?
like right here, the GPS will run.
What's up there is going to go in here.
Look,
Oh, corn's going bye-bye.
bye-bye, corn. Bye.
Looking out the head there, it's all caught up in there.
Why you can come? This is super fun. Can I go talk to my mom?
No, you sit here.
Oh, you're coming here. It's fun.
What do you think, Carter?
Yeah,
You having fun?
yeah. I love the one.
Is this a good adventure?
Yeah. I want to. Yeah, if you keep going in here.
All right, we're back. We're at another field. I'll flip the camera around. Can you see over my shoulder the combine and tractor out there? This is where we were originally headed today, but he had a breakdown, so we went and saw the other Tom, and we did some combining with him. So now we're going to combine with the other Tom. There's two Toms. So today's project around really isn't a project. It's kind of an adventure, and we're out here having some fun. I'll say hi, Tom.
Hey.
All right. And his fields, unlike the poor other guy, Tom, look to be standing up straight.
Not straight, straighter.
Oh, you're able to go much faster than the other.
Yeah.
I mean, we kept getting off. They were so bad over there.
I know he was stressed out. He's very cautious with the tractor, which is good. That's my planter tractor.
Now, since it's a little more quiet and we're making a video in here for projects around, Tom, what is I don't want to know exactly what you paid for it, but what does a piece of equipment run? This combine?
This one's several years old. A new one like this is probably $400,000.
$400,000. And the tractor coming up here, that's your planting tractor?
Yeah, $200,000.
That's a $200,000 piece of equipment.
Yeah. That's $200,000 and it's 2 years old.
And what about that wagon?
90.
So you guys have a lot of money wrapped up in your business here.
Yeah.
This is a family farm, correct?
Yes.
Family business. How many acres does your family farm?
Fell over the axle first, so I'm going to slow down and get right over the middle.
Got it. Now, is he matching speed with you?
Yeah, he picks the speed and I match it because I'm hydrostatic and he's picking up a little more speed. Try and fill the center first.
Now that holds 1,310 bushels.
Ideally, if you're loading it perfectly.
And it's on a track, and you said the tracks help?
Compacted. Keep from compacting the ground as much.
So you're not compacting the ground as much. Okay. How many bushels does the combine hold?
About 300.
So you'll dump off everything you got in here, and
Right.
then
We were, completely full, and obviously we're still getting more.
is that pretty full, Carter? Well, everyone, we're almost done with today's project around. I know nothing about farming, but this guy sure does, and we want to thank Tom a whole lot for having Carter and I today. Carter's sitting on Tom's lunch bucket, just kind of mesmerized with the corn going in. But that hopper there holds 1,310 bushels, give or take. and we're just filling that sucker up. Amazing operation. Well, Tom, thanks a lot for having us at Projects Around today. We'll see you guys later.